Breville Barista Express has sprung a leak. What do we do now? What do we go from here? Is it trashed? Is that $800 to $700 machine trash now? No. I didn't even know this was a thing. You just gotta change your gasket. And it's so simple, and it's super cheap. I think I bought 2 gaskets for $9 on Amazon. I didn't know that you had to supposedly change it every 6 months. You know what? Don't do that. If it fails, then exchange it. You don't have to just waste your money on this stuff. So I was actually cleaning the Breville unit, and that pressure that builds up when you're cleaning with the portafilter and whatnot, when you put that tab in there, I guess the pressure was just too much, or my gasket just failed. It has a slice in it, and it started leaking over the top, and I'll show you that in the video. So now we got 2 gaskets in. So it's super simple to do. You just take off the portafilter portion, you unscrew it, and I'll go through all that now. What you do need, you need the Allen wrench just to get the screen off of it. And then you need, if you have little dainty fingers, you could probably get by. I don't have that. I got these big bear paws. So I'm gonna need a needle nose plier just to get the old gasket out of it. So let's do that now. I'll show you guys how to do all this. They say to empty out the water container here. I don't think you need to do that. I'll just tilt it up a little bit, take it off, maybe unplug it, you know, for your safety, but I'm not gonna do that either. I don't think you need to, but I'll do it just in case, just so it's legit. Let's put the gasket on now, and I'll show you how simple and easy it is. And it's the first time me doing it, so we're gonna do this together. I feel like my whole life is on Amazon. All my toolkits from Amazon, everything I have in this house is from Amazon, and my education is from Amazon. This thing was cheap too. This was like, I think $35, and it's everything you need. I'm not a professional guy, so it just gets the tools done. Let me get that needle nose. Let's get that guy off real quick. You're gonna grab your Allen wrench. And you're gonna bring that guy right over here. Just don't scrape up your screen. We'll take this guy off real quick. This guy will just fall right off. Nice and clean. I did a brew this morning just to see if it would still be a mess, but whatever. Now you're gonna get up there with your needle nose. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, you can see the ring there perfectly. That little white thing. You go up there, just pinch it. And it's already coming off, kind of. It's already just hanging there. But my fingers are too fat. Take the tray out, give yourself some more room. And then you can get under there. Not sure if that's showing. Yeah, perfect. And it pops off just like that. Yeah, doesn't show it. But yeah, somehow it got cut. I'm not sure if this is clear or not, but you can see the cut there. So it's a good thing we're replacing that. Alright, so we got the new one. Super easy now. You're just gonna put that right back up in there. It's snug. I did the whole maintenance on this thing, so that's why I knew something was up. Have that guy up there. They're like, oh, you change your gasket every 6 months. Bullshit. When it fails, change it. Don't waste your money. Because it still has some flex to it and everything, but it just ripped. I'm pretty sure it would have been fine too, but it's legit sliced. I don't know if you can see that. It's sliced, so just change it when it fails. Don't go every 6 months, I'm going to get a new gasket. Don't waste your money. When something fails, then fix it. You don't have to do any, it's not a car. You don't have to do any preventative maintenance to it. If the gasket fails, replace it. If it doesn't, just keep going. If your pressure, you notice that your pressure in your Breville goes down, change the gasket. You know what I mean? And that, it was flowing over the top, so then I just changed the gasket. I didn't even know it was an issue until I had to look it up. I didn't even know I had to do that. Alright, so everything's fixed, so let's see how the Breville Barista is holding up. The gasket seems super tight now. We'll just turn this guy on here. I like a nice warm mug, so let me get this under the hot water. Get the grinds going. They have you buy all these gadgets to temp your bean and whatnot. You don't need that little metal thing to kind of break the clumps. You know what I mean? You're a human being. Just push down on the bean. You don't have to do anything else. So I just like to clean off the top a little bit. I might lose one bean. I'm not really worried about it. And then I'm gonna just temp it here. I'm 300 pounds. If I can't break down a clump of ground bean, then I've got a problem myself. But you don't need all those fancy gadgets. You're just making a cup of coffee just to get through the day. Sometimes I press it a little too hard, but I think we're good now. So let's throw that under there. It's super tight now. for some reason, let me show you. I extend mine a little further. I think you're supposed to stop here, but they say to go all the way until it just stops. So maybe that just pushes too much pressure on the gasket, but you know, I'll go halfway and just have it straight and see if that changes the pressure at all. Let's hit that double. Let's see how she looks. Silky. Yeah, pressure range is where I like it. I like it midway. Alright. So pressure looks good, so we should have a good... Alright, let's check the texture. Yeah, she looks really good. I'm more of an Americano guy in the morning, so I'll even run this again. Ooh, it looks actually perfect. Oh, don't want to spill anything, but yeah. I like that, just like that, and I'll throw Americano. So now she's fixed. Super simple. Really super simple to change a gasket. I don't know. They say to change it every 6 months. I wouldn't do it. Just save your money. When it fails, change it. Does it break the machine? I doubt it. What I do when I go to descale my Barista Express unit, I descale it and I clean it. So I do everything at once and I change my filter. So I don't have to think about it again. And then I don't unplug the machine, so the timer that it has is pretty consistent. Oh, this coffee. I think I just want this coffee now. It smells so good in here. But, oh, look at the puck, too. The puck is perfect. We're good. We're back in business. Now your mornings aren't ruined. I'm excited. All right, so yeah, and the packet that you buy on Amazon, I can put the link in the description, too. I don't get anything for it. I'm just trying to help you guys because when you're in a pinch and your day is ruined because all of a sudden your Breville Barista just failed you, your day's ruined. So $10 on Amazon, you can't beat it really. And you get 2 gaskets for that. So, and mine, I've had mine since what? 2 years now? I've had my espresso machine for about 2 or 3 years now, and I haven't changed anything to it. Add water, clean it, descale it, call it a day. And, you know, clean it thoroughly, I guess. But this thing has been amazing. Has it saved me money from going to the coffee shops? No, because I still go to the coffee shops. I'm sorry, but man, the nice cup of coffee at home is perfect. Anything else I can say about this? I like to do the descaling and the deep clean at all at the same time, so I'm not jumping around. And at the same time, I'll change my filter too, so everything's dialed in. So when this thing blew on me, I was a little like, oh crap, did I just break this thing? Simple fix. Don't get nervous if you blow a leak. It's gonna happen. And yeah, that took like what? Maybe 3 minutes to exchange, not even, just to take it off, do it, run a cycle, and make sure everything is sealed. Super simple fix. Anybody can do it. Don't panic if this thing springs a leak. It's pretty much bulletproof. If you like this video, like, subscribe. I got a bunch of random things. My YouTube is nuts. But yeah, it's been fun kind of learning things as I go. All right, like, subscribe. See you guys later.